નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. Adarsh Education Society welcomes you all here. Dear student friends, let's move ahead in our next lesson. And next lesson, in lesson number 4, that is future time. Once again, we will move here in the 4 different patterns of action concerned with future time. And so that the title is future time, not future tense. Okay. First of all, simple future tense we will think. With this simple future tense, we will move ahead with affirmative, negative, and interrogative sentence structure. Here, as it is noun pronoun, personal pronoun that can be on place of subject plus shall or will plus V1. Generally, there will be a question in your mind: where shall should be used, where will should be used. So far as general phenomena, general characteristic of English language is concerned, I'll tell you one thing, and that is what? So far as simple structure is concerned, generally, so that the word is used over here, generally with ap is equal to first person. There may be I also, there may be we also. With ap we have to use shall, and with asp and tp, with asp as well as with tp, we have to use will. I will write here I will go or we will go. That is correct. Or I shall go, we shall go is correct. I will go is correct, not correct. Then I will go is a wrong sentence. I cannot say it, it's wrong one. Then it's correct, it is correct. Generally we use I with shall, or shall is used with I. Generally. Where will can be used? When I'll teach you model auxiliaries, at the time special use and usage of shall and will think at the time 4 different conditions are there. In these 4 different conditions, shall can be used on place of will and will can be used on place of shall. That thing you will keep in your mind. In such a way, you will go is not wrong one, but you shall go is not wrong one. Then what is correct? So far as general idea is concerned, we have to use shall with fp and will with asp and tp. Third person, second person. Got the idea? Here, with this, you will understand that when you are here and being here, you will assume something happened here. At that time, what will you think? That is future, and that is general condition for the future tense. What is general condition of future tense? That can be a question in your mind. General condition means what? Being in present, we will assume, will think for the coming time, for one action. May be possible, may not be possible. We can think for it, we can judge for it. That is the general situation for future tense. Next to that one is negative sentence, noun pronoun or personal pronoun that can be in place of subject plus shall or will, with fp shall, with sp and tp will, plus not plus v1. Here v1 is their simple verb form. Simple verb form. So that I or we shall not go. Here I explained it to you so that I have written here something different. I have written here different. Why is it so? Because we are thinking general condition. Mira or she will not go and they will not go. Next to that will be interrogative sentence where shall or will come front. Once again we will think with general condition only. Generally shall will be with fp will be with SB and TP. The same thing will be here. Shall I or we go? Question mark. Will Mira or she go? Question mark. Will they go? Question mark. This is affirmative, negative and interrogative sentence structure for simple future tense. Think for this. These are the terminations with simple future tense. Personal pronoun. I shall go is only written there. I shall go oblique will go is not written. Why is it so? Because we are thinking on the only general condition. So that I shall go, I shall not go. Shall I go? We shall go, we shall not go. Shall we go? You will go, you shall go will not be there. Then where it is, that we will think later in auxiliary verbs. You will go, you will not go. Will you go? The same thing. What is written here? The same thing. You will write. I have not written, but you will write it in your verb. He will goes. He will go. Why is it so? Because whenever you are using shall or will, then afterwards we will go for V1. After V1, S or ES? No. That is only and only for simple present tense. So that he will go, he will not go. Will he go? She will go, she will not go. Will she go? It will go, it will not go. Will it go? As it is. They will go, they will not go. Will they go? In this way, we have completed simple future tense with structure and with terminations in personal pronouns. What is the use and usage of this tense? That we will come to know later. But just before that, I give you time to write down it in your notebook so that it can be the best one for your ready reckoner reference. Write down it little bit speed. Dear student friends, let's move ahead with simple, generally simple future tense, where it is used with simple use and usage, where shall can be used in place of will, where will can be used in place of shall. That we don't think here at present. At present we think generally. Here what is written generally. We are here in present tense, and with being in present tense, what we assume for the future, for the forthcoming time, that can be in simple future tense. You see here the same thing is written. Being in present time, if we would guess an action of future, it can be. Suppose that I think at present it's in my mind. It means the situation, the condition, the time, what is given here, that is concerned with present scenario. I think she will come with her family here, but it is not sure, it is not certain. We will think, we will guess whether that guessing is correct, wrong. That is not finalized, that's not known, that's not given. Here we will guess for that. It is not certain, it's not certain. She will come. And so that general use and usage is given already here, because general SP and TP is with will. So that here she will is used. Next to that, we may have uncertainty of the action at present. What is going to happen in future? Uncertainty. If it is certain, then the idea will be different. But we may have uncertainty for an action, and that action is of future. It will or she or it will reach there, London, America, at a house by the end of this week. May reach, may not reach. Not by the end of this week, but the first day of the next week, she may reach. Something goes wrong, then we will be helpless with that. This is uncertainty. This is the general use and usage of simple future tense. Shall to will to shall is not discussed anywhere else here. So that we will continue in use and usage of shall and will in modal auxiliary. Till that time, you will be here with the simple use and usage, general use and usage of shall and will with future tense. You write down it in your notebook so that it can be helpful to you. Thank you. Thanks a lot to you. Thank you. Thanks a lot for joining us.